Cliff the Rocket Man here. We are back from vacation. Had a good time with Joe down in southern Utah, a little bit of Colorado, just a little teeny bit of New Mexico, and then Arizona. Now we're back home, and we're working on some avocado lanterns, but those are a different video. But I want to get back to some nice ones that I did before my vacation. And here they are. They're all Canadians. So we'll start over here. And before I forget, if you can look down in there, and then you look at this one. Which one is the correct cage for these? These are one of 64 Canadians, and they say Canadian right on the bottom of them. Let's just make sure. Made in Canada. One of 65. So anybody has an answer to that? My brother sent these to me. And they were missing a few pieces, which is cool with me, and bought a few pieces. It seemed like I had to buy a globe or two, I don't remember. Got one vent redone, but there they are. Really nice. Like I say, still have the original decals on them. Didn't take too much to get them going. Found some decals for the red knobs. And as you can see right there, it's got the large lettering on it. They are identical. Gives you the generator number for them. I would guess a T66 is probably, they look the same as a just a regular 200 USA model. The big difference is the lever here is different on the Canadians, and the collar, of course. And looks like they, if I can remember my changes right, they still use the old the tall vent on them. So, but like I say, these were in pieces. He bought them from somebody, and robbed a few parts to build him a nice one, and then was nice enough to send them to me. Now this is just a regular Coleman mantle there, just a 21A. Look at that sucker, how bright that thing is. I only lit one of each today. That one's got a silk light. I bet you'd be just as bright. Now the other two, these are Canadians. These are 236s. Majors is what they call them. And I looked it up in the book, and this one does say major on it. This one does not. Now this one's a 1 of 48. If you look at that sucker, that is in super nice shape. Thanks to Jamie from Canada for hooking me up with these. I'm ecstatic with them. Little things about them. The 48, I don't think either one had a globe, but he sold me this little globe right here. The little sunshine, and it's kind of a greenish blue, so I guess you could call that a turquoise. He called it a turquoise. So it's a cool little lantern or globe to go with it. And for a 48, I don't think this thing's been fired up that many times. Just it's in beautiful shape for its age, really. So thanks, Jamie, man. And then my other one, this is a 4 of 63, the same model, 236. He also sold me this globe. It says made in England. It's the 660 type globe on it. Other than the slight difference of the stamping, Coleman didn't really change them much. It still uses the screws on the pumps. Looks like they turned them the other way. On the newer one, on the 63, but they work just as well. This one I did put an 1111 on it. It's a larger mantle, not quite as bright as that little 200 though. Other little differences I noticed, the bells are the same. Looks like I got two of the old style nuts on them. Whether those are correct, I don't know. I think this one is, but the vents in great shape on the 48. Of course, it's the old style. They're heavier than the USA models of, around that era. It almost looks like a 220, but I haven't, other than the holes for the bail, I haven't tried to swap them, but they're kind of a darker green there. I really like that. That's a cool color. Nickel plated. Now over to the other one, the 63. It's got the newer style vent on it, a little lighter green. Bail fits identical. Looks like the burner cages are the same. The generator, it says the same, but I don't know, that has a larger nut on it. Let's see, I was going to compare generator part numbers. This one, the older one, calls it a Insta-Light for gasoline only. What does that say? It does not. Let's see if it gives a generator part number on it. Some of it's in French, so I can't read French. I don't know if they're the same generator or not. I'm not going to sit here and guess. Anyway, looks like they took the stamping off and put it on the bottom. I'll guess that it's on the bottom. Can't really tell. That sucker is hot right now, so I'm just going to put it back down. Yeah, that's what they did, is they took the stamping off right here below the cap and put a decal over on the opposite side. No, I didn't take that apart. This may be backwards. I might have this one backwards. I don't know. Anyway, I'll have to look at the book. I don't know, right? If you look at it that way, they're built the same. I think that's why, because this one's been apart. I don't know about this one, but anyway, there's some Canadian stuff. I've got a full-size 220 Canadian. I've showed you that one before, so I didn't bring that one out, but there's just some nice little Canadian models. So anyway, thanks to Aaron and Jamie for hooking me up with some lanterns here. Having a good time with them. And we'll catch you up on the avocados when I get a little further along on those. Anyway, that's it. Cliff out.